I'll show you how to insert a Nano SIM and micro SD card into the Nokia 2.1. Start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and wait until the device is completely switched off. Remove the back cover using the cavity near the charger port. You'll see the slots for the SD card and SIM card. First, insert the micro SD card with the characteristic edge facing the correct direction and press it in. To insert the SIM card, open the slot by pushing in that direction, remove the tray, and place the SIM card in position. Both cards are now inserted. You can also use a second SIM card if desired. Close the back cover. Press the power key to turn on the device and check that both cards are working. The Nokia is turning on. Wait a few seconds. Unlock the screen, open Settings, scroll down and select Storage to confirm the SD card is detected. Go to Network and Internet, select SIM cards, and confirm the phone is reading the SIM. Everything is working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.